Global Access Forex. The one thing I need you to understand about one saying, it is not about you are right or you are wrong. It is about money you lost while you are wrong, and how much money you lost while you are right, or how much money you risk while you are wrong, or how much money you risk while you are right. That's the most important aspect of the trading psychology and terminology with respect to money management concepts you need to understand, which it compiled together, risks together, aligned them together. I'm very sure with a good trading plan and a good strategy and also a good trading system, you can be able to excel the forex market. This is Adnan, Global Access Forex. Good morning. So let me show you what I mean by buy and sell strategy. Ordinarily, as I'm saying, if you are if you know scaling very well, you are good to go. If you don't know scaling very well, you are still good to go. I'm very sure somebody will be surprised with this huge and massive profit generated by our almighty magic bomb strategy. A strategy that is built between buys and lows system. You see, we've been cashing out this strategy, holding this trade for over a week now, and the result have been very awesome. And this is exactly where we get our entry. You can see we got all confirmations intact, all confluences intact, and that's when we take our trade entry here after the market tested this level for the last time, in order to show us that yes, this is the final push and the institution are ready to push down the price, because that first movement here is just a liquidity grab. So the institutions grab liquidity, those that have the money grab. If you want to be successful in this business, you must trade alongside with the higher major trends. That's where the big money is. So that's just it. See, for those that have the strategy, congratulations. And I'm going to release the news update for this strategy. I'm going to release it this week. The strategy is completely set, but I refused to release it on time because I was making a back test on the update and it was superb cool. So please, before the end of the week, all VIP subscribers will be able to get a good video guide copy of the latest update of the magic bomb strategy. So let's dive into our buy and sell strategy. You can see I'm still buying crash 1000 here, I'm still selling it, I'm still making money. It's not magic, it's something that we do, and it's something that you yourself can do. You see, this is buy, this is sell, all profit. Buy and sell, all profit. So that's what you should understand. So when you are trading boom and crash with respect to this kind of buy and sell strategy, you are just going to consider two things. What are those two things? Let me highlight them for you now. Those two things for you now. Number one, you should understand where are you buying and where are you selling, or where is the current level at which market is, and where is the current level the market is currently is now. I think this one is for the other strategy, I think. So it's not for us. So you see, so you have to identify where you are buying and where you are selling. We are selling this market for a long trend. If market is retracing upward and you don't want to close out other positions, in order to cap the other trend, you can easily take your trade. Because in some cases, we have some videos that I published before where I have market quite running in a direction of a trend, but when it's making a pullback, we still hold and buy against the trend, and we capture some pips and close our trade. So the basic of this concept of this strategy, buy and sell boom and crash strategy, it's for those that understand trading. You can see this market is currently running in profit, As this one is dropping, this one is giving us something. Look at it. And quite sure this market will have to relax, even though it will continue going down. But see, first this market reject this level. Look at it, market has also reached this level, but because of this bullish engulfing, it's an intact trend. So the market is telling you that the market is in a strong downtrend, but there was a huge reaction of this level because there was 2 rejections from that point. If market rejects a position from with a very huge wick, that one, it implies something for you if you know what you are doing as a price action trader or as a boom and crash price action trader. The same thing, the same thing you are saying this thing now, definitely market has to react to it in other direction in order to get all its way, in order to have the confirmed movement of its continuation trend. This is at non-global access forex. Nice to talk to you now. So I think that was the major guide I need to give you on this boom and crash buy and sell strategy. You can see, just identify your highs and lows and identify where you are buying and where you are selling, and also cap out a market that is bottom trend, probably crash 1000 over 1000, because that's why I highly recommend this buy and sell. I highly recommend this buy and sell system on 1000 indices because they have long trends. So you can be able to capture like 20 pips, 30 pips, 40 pips, even 60 pips short signals in order to have exactly what you want and get what you want to have and enter your market. This is at non-global access forex. We have a best weekly signals, and I'm going to release some cool video or some giveaway about the signal in my next video. So nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Don't be surprised of my capital. It's not even up to $300 on this account. And this trade we have been taking in all our accounts we handle for long, and those that are my VIP group can be testify these 2 signals. These 2 signals are begin my VIP group and can testify to that. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. So you can see this other position is moving 269 pips from yesterday. It was a very huge massive signal we have given yesterday. I've given the signal earlier here. We are to capture only 60 pips, but the market have moved more than 260 pips, times 3 or times 4 of our initial target. So congratulations to all VIP members for getting that. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. Nice to talk to you now. For those that want some information about some clue boom and crash, I have already made a video. You can check it on the description of this video. Top 5 hacks of boom and crash. So if you understand those 5 hacks, you can be able to trade boom and crash correctly, positively, with high level of understanding in every aspect of its trend. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. Nice to talk to you now. Have a good day. See you in my next video. Bye.